Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in Homepoint Mortgage. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.portal.hpfctpo.com/login. So once you do this, you will end up in this kind of page. So once the page is completely loaded, you will be redirected to this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the sign in option. So once you tap on sign in, a new page will get reopened where you can find the logging in option. So once the page is completely booted, you will end up having this interface where all you need to do is simply type in your email address, and once you type in your email address, you need to now type in your password of your account. So after filling in both the credentials, you need to simply tap on the sign in option. So after tapping on the sign in option, you will get logged in into your Homepoint Mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.